Hi, everyone. I'm Jamie Dorley, CEO of Nutritional Frontiers, with the one and only, the Godfather of Nutrition, Joe Messino. And Happy New Year from our family to yours.
Oh boy, am I glad to get into this new year, aren't you? This is going to be an amazing year. We're going to make sure of it.
2022 is our year, and we're going to start off with a January focus from Nutritional Frontiers. We have some incredible formulas to talk about, Joe, to be clean and lean this month in January. Before we do, let's get into some of the incredible educational opportunities you have.
You know, it always starts with, we've had radio forever, right? It started back with Doc. We brought back the best of. We're still on the radio, folks, every week, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m.
All you need to simply do is go to khbradio.com, click on Listen Live, and you can participate. So Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. And then we have every Monday and Friday our streaming. Monday's the Jamie and Joe Show, and Friday's Dr. Ashley and the team at World of Wellness. So how do they participate with our stream, Joe?
Oh, the live stream is easy. All you got to do is get on our Facebook page, Nutritional Frontiers, World of Wellness. It'll be on both, and our YouTube channel as well.
Many different ways to participate. And then on Tuesday, that is January 4th, the first Tuesday every month, we join Robert Scott Bell and his incredible team as they fight for your medical freedoms. Yeah. That's at 4 p.m., the RobertScottBellShow.com. What are your thoughts on Robert?
Well, Robert is a warrior, and he's one of us, and he's so genuine and so passionate about what he does. And I think bringing the Jamie and the Joe Show to the Robert Scott Bell Show kind of threw them a little bit. They don't know how to quite handle us yet.
No, but they're having fun. They're fighting for you, and we're supporting the team. RobertScottBell.com. And then not only the first Wednesday of every month, January 5th, but how about every Wednesday? We're getting wild on Wednesdays, Joe. Wellness Wednesdays at 7 p.m., the Jamie and Joe Show, every Wednesday at 7.
You know, we got to do it every Wednesday. It's the new year, so new format, right?
Absolutely.
Everybody wants to see something and do something midweek. Get over the hump. Let's get over the hump with some nutrition.
And then if you want to join the team at Nutritional Frontiers, we're taking the show on the road. We're having a VIP dinner on Thursday, January 27th, in the lovely city of Boca Raton, Florida.
Oh, I love that place.
We have the lovely and talented Elizabeth Tringali talking about breaking research on the power of the microbiome.
Yeah, it doesn't get any better. Dr. Tringali, she's been the best. We've listened to her. She's been wanting to be a major speaker with us for a long time, and now she gets her shot.
Let's go through some of the formulas that we have on promotion throughout the month of January as we focus on clean and lean. So we used to have the Remove Kit, bigger and better than ever in the new year, Joe. The Clean and Lean Kit.
Clean and Lean.
So it used to be Power Cleansing Greens. We didn't stop there. We added in Advanced Phase 4 Cellular Detoxification, LivComplete.
Exactly. LivComplete's the probably, I was going to say the next generation. It may be the final generation of cleansing formulas, liver detox formulas. Folks, not just phase 1, 2, or 3, but 4 phases of detoxification.
As I say, not 1, but 4 phases of advanced cellular detoxification. Yes. And then we finish it up with Frontier Cleanse and the Liver and Gallbladder Tincture. So what a great lineup, Joe, for the month of January. We have the solutions to your resolutions and the solutions to your pollution with the Clean and Lean Kit. So join us in the month of January as we all fight to clean up after the holidays.
Yeah, it's a battle, but we can do it, and we're there to help you. If you have the right tools, you win the battle.
So thanks so much for all your support in 2021. Let's start the new year off with a bang. So we appreciate your support. Have a great month, and God bless.